Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, S&P 500 E-mini futures. It's a daily chart, and what we saw yesterday was a very serious rip off of the reaction to the FOMC announcement. We did basically 40 handles, 45 handles off of the lows just before the announcement. And it moved us right up into this 2100 area. It was a nice day for us. We had our proprietary level coming in at about 53, which got us long before the announcement. And I got some hits on the side, and I got some emails, asking me, because I put that up on, I posted that on Twitter, asking me whether or not that was gaming jobs. And my response was this: it's a totally separate issue. That's a level that we use every day. It's a level that's a very reliable level for bounces. And so if that level hits at 150 in the afternoon on any given afternoon, Janet Yellen or no Janet Yellen, we're going to take that trade, with a reasonable stop. Our stop was 51.5, and we didn't get stopped out. So, if we don't get stopped out, we're not going to take it off just because it's 2 o'clock. You're going to let you're going to let the runner run, so to speak, on those longs, which is what we did. I took a couple shots up near 2100 to get short. I finally got short 99, took some profits overnight, and then it came up to take my stop out last night, I don't know, about 9 or 10 o'clock. So right now, the only position I have going is I still have my longs from 2037 that I put on Friday. I took some profits into the 95, 97 area there on those, but I'm still holding some because I want to see what happens today. And that's what's important, right? What's going to happen today. Today should be a battle over the continuation chart middle band, okay? And you can already see that playing out. We closed above. It's sitting at about 80, 86.23, 86 quarter. And our Globex low is 86 quarter. Band's at 86 quarter, Globex low is at 86 quarter. We should get a morning dip in the regular session today, as we've seen many times. If the bears are truly dead, because right now they're literally holding on by a thread. They have to defend 2100, and they have to close today below the middle band. And that may not even save them. It may just create another higher low. What the bulls want to do is defend the middle band and close above 2100 today. If they do that, then you end up with a closing candle that's somewhere up in here. It's clearly a breakout from the prior day highs, and then they can begin their assault on the 1775 continuation high, certainly the 2109 contract highs, and begin to move up into the area of the upper band, lower band, middle band, upper band. So it's a very important day for the bears to assert themselves, defend 2100, get price back below middle band, and close it there. It's not enough to trade below middle band today. You've got to close below middle band, because the trap that the bears are falling into is to not only early in the week we established the 2049-30 weekly pivot as support. That was confirmed yesterday. So now the way this will play into next week is we'll already open well above wherever the weekly pivot's going to be for next week, because a lot of it's got to account for a lot of this trading down at lower levels. And if we're still trading in an area up above 2100, maybe you get kind of a test of the weekly pivot next week, but the reality of that is it just builds momentum to the upside. So if the bears are going to take this thing back, they need to take it back today. They really can't wait any longer. They've given up so much ground now. So we have to, So needless to say, it's a big day for the bears. Either assert yourselves, or that thread that you're hanging by is going to snap, and we're going to see what we've seen so many times during the uptrend, which is new all-time highs. Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. I am going to be trying to tweet more. I'm going to make an active effort to be on there more. Check out the website, princetontrader.com. Come check out the chat room. Live charts audio, we're having a great time with it, and we encourage everybody to come and take a trial and check it out. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.